Hi everyone, it's Alma here. I have my first Christmas card series for this year. These are fun cards because they are shaker cards. I use Hero Art's 1950s TV fancy dies. I'm going to stack my die cuts together to get dimension. So I will adhere two of the die cuts on top of each other and then adhere the acetate and another die cut to hide the acetate. I'm going to cut the acetate to fit on the TV and you don't have acetate hanging off the TV, and then I will just adhere that using liquid glue. I don't usually use liquid glue when adhering acetate because I don't want the glue oozing out, but it's what I have on my desk. That's why I just use it because I can't find my double-sided tape. Now I'm going to distress some parts of the TV and especially on the sides with vintage photo distress ink. I also use Hero Art's Winter Village Peekaboo Cling Stamp. My friend Cheryl sent this to me last year and I finally used it today. I already went ahead and colored this large Christmas scene off camera with my Zig markers. And then I'm going to add some shimmer using my diamond Stickles just on the white part of the scene. After I added the shimmer, I'm going to set this aside to dry and then we'll come back to it. After the panel is dry, I'm going to trace the TV die on the upper part of the panel where Santa is and the lower part of the panel. I will have two Christmas scenes out of this panel that I colored. And then I'm going to cut it outside the trace lines using my scissor. After cutting the scene, I'm going to erase the trace marks so it doesn't show when we add it inside our TV. Next, I'm going to remove some stickiness on the sides of the foam tape. For the shaker part, I'm using Embossing Powder Snowflake Tinsel. You can use what you have on hand. I'm using this one because I don't have fine glitter that I can use right now. After I added the glitter inside, I'm going to remove the release paper and then I will add my colored scene on top of the foam tape. I'm going to use the 6x6 Christmas paper pad and die cut it with one of the die from Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangle. And now we can adhere the pattern paper on top of my card base. And I also die cut this cream colored cardstock that will go on the lower part of the card. And then we can adhere our TV, shaker TV. And also our Merry Christmas sentiment. For the Merry Christmas sentiment, I adhere it with foam tape. Excuse my kids, they're laughing right now. So moving on to the next card, I will do the same thing like what I did on the first card. So I will adhere everything together and then add the TV, shaker TV on top of the background. I did die cut the circle parts of the TV with red cardstock and green cardstock to match with my backgrounds. So now I'm just adhering them. And then I'm going to color the 3 dots with red and green sparkle pop pens. And lastly, I'm going to use the Your Next Stamp Winter Home stamp set for the inside sentiment. And my cards are complete. I love this 1950s TV shakers. It reminds me of those Christmas decorations that you can buy in the stores. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.